Hello everyone, my name is Vandana Malhotra. Welcome to my channel Know the New. Today I am going to discuss with you 5 new vocabulary words. So let's start. My first word is ecstatic. Ecstatic का मतलब होता है बहुत ज़्यादा खुश या फिर अति आनंदित. I feel so ecstatic when I go outside and visit new places. My second word is salvation. Salvation का मतलब होता है मोक्ष. If we pray daily, then we can achieve salvation someday. My next word is lousy. Lousy means very bad or poor. The service of this hotel is lousy. My next word is profound. Profound का मतलब होता है deep. There are profound differences between the two parties. My last word is abrasive. Abrasive का मतलब होता है harsh or you can say rough. She is cleaning the surface with an abrasive material. So ये थे हमारे आज के न्यू 5 वर्ड्स. आने वाली वीडियोस में हम और वर्ड सीखेंगे. तब तक के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिएगा. थैंक यू वेरी मच.